Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Margarita F. Batinga. I am 39 years old from Philippines. I am high school graduate and I have two loving children, 19 years old and 9 years old. I have working experience abroad for being a nanny for 5 years in Bahrain. My first employer was 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. 3 years old twins and 3 months old baby. My duties responsibilities to taking care of the children, like preparing the food, keep them safe and playing. I do household also, like cleaning, ironing, marketing, and washing. I served them for 3 years. My second employer was 4 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 newborn baby and 3 years old. My duties responsibility to taking care of the newborn baby. And I do household also, like cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing, and I served them for 2 years. To my future employer, if you hire me, I will promise to do all my best to caring your children as my own. I'm kind person, patient, honest, and hardworking. And I hope see you soon and God bless. Good day, Mom and Sir.